So good morning people, we are in the kitchen today and we're gonna make some pilau, okay? So what do we have here? We have some, these are bay leaves, this black pepper, these are cardamom seeds, over here we have cinnamon sticks, these are cinnamon sticks, and we have cloves over here, a few seeds, not that much. I have a few also, less than 10, and these are 2 cinnamon sticks. I just broke them down, okay? These are bay leaves, they were 2 of them, I just split them into pieces, and these are black pepper seeds. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them on a plate together, one by one, okay, and we will soak them. We will soak them for 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. You can soak them for more. This will make them be soft and produce the flavor they have in them, and it will be easy to cook, okay? So let me put them together here. Yes, all the seeds gone into the plate. See how they look. Okay. Nothing goes to waste here, of course. Okay, so we have them here. We're gonna soak them for 30 minutes, and we have some rice here. This is the rice we're gonna make. We're going to soak this rice also for at least 30 minutes, and it will make it soft and cook faster. So that's the first process. We're gonna soak this for 30 minutes, then we'll go on with the other ingredients and preparation of the other things. So this is our soaking rice. Let's keep it aside. Okay. And these are the soaking mentioned. Keep them aside. So we'll go ahead and peel the potatoes. Okay, 4 of them. Split them into pieces to make them cook easily. Then we have some beef. This is Pakistani beef pieces as well to make it cook easy. Then the process will start. So this is our beef. We'll slice it. It's already cut when I was buying the desired sizes. The bone is too big, but it's fine because I don't need to slice it that much anyway. Yeah. Slice it into pieces. That's it. So this is the beef now and ginger. But this one I already mixed, so I'll just put a spoonful of garlic and ginger paste. Okay, just a spoonful. Just added a little, but yours should be a spoon. Okay. That's a mixture of garlic and ginger paste. And of course, you need to put some salt. Salt to your desire, but don't put too much salt. Just put enough salt. Okay, and let this beef put everything else and put the water to boil. You can as well cover it for some few minutes for it to cook properly. You can keep looking to see what the progress is being. So this one looks good. Then you can go ahead and add some water and let the beef cook till it becomes soft. You can add as much water, but don't add too much. Of course, later on when the broth you use it to, here we usually love to cook our pilau. We need to peel them, prepare them, make them ready. We have these garlic seeds, 3 of them. and a few babies, if you can say so. Okay. The bigger they are, the better, but they should not be that big. So a half will be fine. So there we go. Side, and we have our there for the rest of the cooking. So we have our chopped pieces of garlic already chopped as well, crushed and chopped. Okay. Then here, I hope you can see, we have the potatoes washed and cut. Okay. If we come back to the beef, it has boiled and it's already soft. So now we add cooking oil, enough to cook the mashed onions we have. Okay, don't put too much as well because too much oil also not good. Heat enough, so we're gonna put back, not really back, but we're gonna add the onions now to fry them. Okay. This cooking pot seems to be a little bit small, but it'll be fine. The smaller the... Okay, so the onions are almost brown, the color we want, so we're gonna add the chopped garlic for it to cook 2 more minutes. I'm not talking too loud because of the echo I have here. The room is too big. So if it gets to this point, now we can add our already cooked beef. Remember, we separated the soup from the beef. So the beef is added, and we remember we have our spices which are soaked for 30 minutes now. They're the ones we are going to use here. We are going to use them to give us the flavor. Okay. But anyway, I will add some powdered, just a little, same spices, but this time in a powder form. We just add just a little of the powdered. So this would be cumin powder, just a little. I'll use a spoon to scoop so that I don't put that much. Remember, we have the soaked sticks over there. So put some cumin powder. Our next ingredient will be just black pepper, black pepper, whichever you call them, depends on your English teacher, where you come from. From where I come from, we call it pepper. Black pepper, there you go. Next we add cinnamon powder. Very good in giving the flavor. Actually, the whole pilau flavor comes from the cardamom. Sorry, that was cardamom powder. It was cardamom powder. This was cinnamon. Okay. Then we go up and add, this is Graham masala. Graham masala is a mixture of all. It has cumin. Actually, I'm adding it now because we didn't have cumin powder, so I'll just put like a spoonful. The rest were half a spoon because we all have the ingredients, but this particular one we don't have it, so I put a spoonful. And we're gonna add powdered spices we added. And from here now we can add our soaked spices and let this boil, because if I let it go past here now, the onions will be burning. It will lose the good looking brown. The spices are also good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the potatoes. We can now go ahead and stir the mixture for the potatoes to absorb the flavor and cover it for a minute or 2. See how they look? So we can go ahead now and add our soaked white eggs, and but yeah, cover them fast before you get there. Okay, 3 minutes covered. So now we're gonna add the rice looking it. So this is the rice. We're gonna drop it here. Cooked rice is added. Now we go ahead and add the broth. The soup which we separated from the beef. Only this soup can or that. So we're gonna need to add some water. Go ahead and add some water. The water should not be that much. Make sure the potatoes are at the bottom so that they cook much faster. Okay. So what not to the amount of rice you put. 1 is to 2. If you put 2 cups, put 1 cup, you put 2 cups of water. If you also we're gonna cover this and let it boil for some time. But spread them much here. Like and make sure we're putting on a very low heat. So from this point now we can stir to make sure that this water goes inside. Okay, and then let it cook low. So as we wait for the rice to cook, we're going to prepare some salad. We have 3 tomatoes here. We have some chili and some. So as you can see here now we have our chopped coriander, chopped chili and chopped tomatoes. We're going to add them on this onion, and then the 3 will make our, this is our cacciambari. I'm going to add these tomatoes here. I washed my hands, don't worry. I'm gonna add the tomatoes here. Put this one here. The tomatoes are way many because this one will not be eaten by one person only. Okay, we take the coriander, put it there. I think I used a smaller bowl. I think it will help us mix these things properly. When I do it, yeah, this one I just did in my hands because they are washed anyway. And you can add some. The hands will mix it better compared to anything else, but depending on your choice, you can use. Okay, back to the rice. It has been simmering in a very low heat. Now you can see how soft it has become. The potatoes are cooked. Still, we're going to try to stir it very slowly so that we don't break it. Try it a little. Shall do the mixing when we cooking potatoes. But already it looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Then I will remove it. So I'm gonna show you the end result. Cooking potatoes is and it will be ready to